Good morning, afternoon, or evening to the ClickChauffeur community. Today I'll show you how to create a new option for your booking module. Adding custom fields can improve the personalization and flexibility of your service. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard to start off. In the module, click on Options and then click on Add New Option. Now fill in the following fields. You've got the field name. Enter the name of the custom field such as baby seat. It could be extra baggage. Then you've got the maximum value. I've added 3, but you can define the maximum number of this option that can be added, like no more than 2 baby seats in my example. Then you can choose the vehicles. I applied to just one of the vehicle, but you can choose whether this option is linked to all vehicles or specific vehicles. Next, you need to choose an icon specific for your option. So you want to select an icon from the predefined standard models. Custom icons like a ski or champagne bottle can also be added on request. Finally, the price per quantity. Set the price per unit for this option. I'm showing you €5 for this one, and we are almost done. Simply click on the Add button to save your new option, and now you're done. You've successfully created a new option for your booking module, enhancing the personalization and flexibility of your service. Be warned though, custom options can greatly improve your client's booking experience, so make the most out of it right now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Meanwhile, keep your service offerings diverse and your clients satisfied.